tayo muna sila. Go, 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 go. Count, you have to count nine numbers. Go, 9 numbers. Next. Count the number, count the numbers. Come on. Continue, just continue. Come on. How many more? Come on. Okay, group pa rin doon. Nagpatikot doon. Micah group. Okay, how many more? Come on. Go. Come on. Do it. Keep the burning king. Come on. Woo! How many times? Go. Ay, pastor. Wow! Hold it properly. Okay, go. One more. Napagod. Nasaan ba yung merinda kanina? Akala ko maganda. Come on. How many now? How many? Woo! Come on. Hook. No running. Jump. Hook. No running. Just hook. No running, please. No running. Hook. No running. Hook. No running. Okay. May timer. Timer stop, ha? Timer stop. Later na yun. Just timer stop. Para sigurado. Mamaya kukunin ko yung time. Okay, mamaya kukunin ko yung time. Hold the time, ha? Let them finish. Everyone. Okay, go. Oh, na-break na yung sack. Nakita na yung pa. Oh, mayroon pa isa. Go. The sack. Kuya, may isa pa doon. Okay, nasira na yung sack. Come on, kuya. Jump. You want to jump? Oh, no. Come on. We stop yung timer. The timer. Okay, one more. Go. Meron pa isa. Go. Okay, nice. Go. Woo! Kaya second. Tingnan natin yung time. Wala, nasira. Wala na. Yeah, Micah! Oh, congratulations. Okay. Oh, next. Sino ba? Hindi nagsalita. The destination man's free will. The destination man's free will. What's that? The destination man's free will. What? Hello. Okay. Okay. Saya pa. Predestination and free will. Okay. Is that a trial or that's all? Yeah, do this. Now the second, we heard your last. Thank you so much. What we're gonna do now, go back to your line. We check the timer. Okay. I'll start from there. Okay, anong group to? Which tribe? Nehemiah. 4 minutes and 14 seconds, Nehemiah. Woo. Zephaniah, 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Can you screenshot niya mga ate? Kailangan ko po yung mga screenshots. Who's next? I need the screenshots po for the timers. Zechariah, 4 minutes and 6 seconds. Oy, malaman na, 3 minutes. Jonah, we have 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Sino dito sa'yo? Kailan sa'yo? 3:43 and 3:56. Oh, I need a screenshot for that. Okay, I will go back to you. Sa dulo na lang, sa dulo. Okay. Ezekiel, 4 minutes and 54 seconds. Okay. Obadiah.
4 minutes and 8 seconds.
4 minutes and 8 seconds. We have 3 minutes, 3 minutes. 5 minutes and 16 seconds. What's group? Hosea.
Joel, 3 minutes and 46.
Joel, 3 minutes and 46 seconds. I think you're third.
19 seconds and 5 minutes.
Habakkuk, 5 minutes and 19 seconds. Isaiah, 3 and 54 seconds. 3 minutes and 54 seconds. All 3 minutes forward po yung 3 minutes. Yung naka 3 minutes, all 3 minutes just a little bit forward. I will check again the timer. Okay? What tribe are you?
Jeremiah, 5 minutes and 4 seconds.
5 minutes and 4 seconds. Amos, 46 seconds. Amos, 4 minutes and 46 seconds.
Daniel, still running. Hindi nakatapos.
Oh, Daniel, okay. We're still counting.
Malachi, 5 minutes and 32 seconds.
Whoa, Malachi, 5 minutes and 32 seconds. That's a breaking score.
Micah, 5 minutes and 12.
5 minutes and 12, Micah. So, continue pa rin to. Continue pa rin sa'yo, kuya. Oy, ilan kayo? Third. Okay, all 3 minutes forward po muna. Let us validate. All 3 minutes time. Dito po mo tayo. Convene po tayo sa gitna. Dito, all 3 minutes. Can we compare, please? All 3 minutes? Kuya, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Can you please come here? Can you please come here?
Kayo nasa gitna eh.
Live dito?
Live.
Uy!
Yes. Watch on the Facebook.
Please like and subscribe! Nakakalakad na siya ng matagal. Pero, struggle pa din like Dubai. Pero, ano lang, praying na
Thank you. Now we have the result. Are you all excited? Very good. Okay. In the third place, we have 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Belongs to wala naman, drummer. Isaiah! You got 2 points. Okay? Then the second place. Mali yata ako, sorry. Oh, Joe. Second place. Teka lang ha, nalito ako. Okay, we'll do it again. The third place belongs to Joel! And the second place belongs to Sipanaya! Who's Sipanaya? The first place belongs to Naum Group! Okay, thank you so much. Yun na yung game natin. Do we have more games? Huh? 11:30 na tayo. So that's enough. Our game is enough. So we have to go to proceed to the hall. Tama ba for group discussion? Remember your destination and free will, what you are doing today. Okay? So that's your decision. We have to go to the hall and we have to discuss. Thank you so much for your time and effort.